Well, the snowstorm also affected thousands of air travelers, with flights canceled across the country. Some weary passengers made their way to Eppley Airfield this morning. Despite all of the cancellations, 2 flights from Chicago and Minneapolis were not full. Richie Seith is in town for Union Pacific's year-end meetings. His trip began Tuesday morning in Atlanta. John Yao was traveling home from Taiwan.
A little tired. Looking forward to it. I didn't have any clothes, so this is what I wore yesterday. So hopefully my suitcase is here and I can go to my hotel and shower and shave. Life's good.
12-hour flight, got into LAX, and I was delayed for about 12 hours. And then I flew in on the red eye from LAX to Chicago, and then just got in just a few minutes ago. Tired, ready for a good nap.
Today, the airport reported only a handful of delays and cancellations for flights across the country.